Hello, dear students. A very good morning to all of you. So, today in this video, we are going to discuss about coal. So, coal is a fossil fuel and it is hard, black, rock like but lighter, not heavy as rock. Okay, so coal is a fossil fuel which is hard and black in color, and it have rock like structure, but it is not heavy like a rock. Okay, so here carbon makes a coal such a valuable resources of energy. So you know that carbon contain in coal, and it is valuable resources of energy. So the carbon content in coal is very high, so that's why when we burn coal, a lot of energy is produced because we are actually burning carbons. A lot of carbon dioxide get released. Now, when we burn coal, what happens? It burns presence of oxygen, and you know when carbon combines with oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide. So, coal is a fossil fuel. It is hard and black in color, and coal is found in deep coal mines under the surface of the earth in the form of coal beds. Now the next one is coal formation, how coal is formed. Okay. So several years ago, there were a lot of areas which was covered with dense forest. Now, due to flood, what happens? All these dense forests they cover underwater, because when flood happens, you have too much water everywhere. All these forest, trees, plants, herbs, shrubs, everything they went under the soil. Now when they got buried, and over a period of time, what happens? There was more and more soil get deposit. Here you see a little bit of soil. Okay, now gradually the layer of soil get deposit, and as the content of the soil rocks increase here, what was happening? These dead plants basically getting compressed, and all the water which are present in dead plants, they started getting released. Now at the same time, these dead plants also going deeper inside, so the temperature also increasing. So as a result of high temperature and pressure, they lose all the waters and converted into coal. So actually this process takes millions of years. That's why the coal formation is very slow process. Now, do you think we will able to produce coal artificially? No. And that's why coal is a very precious resources, because it is exhaustible, and at the same time we cannot create coal artificially. So that's why the coal is a precious resources. And coal contains mainly carbon, but along with it hydrogen, oxygen, and small amount of nitrogen and sulfur are also present. Okay, now uses of coal. So coal is used in railway engines to produce steam to run the engine. Coal is used in many houses in villages as fuel to cook food, and coal is used to thermal power plants to produce electricity. Coal is used in many industries to produce organic compounds. such as phenol, benzene, naphthalene. And in industries, coal is used to manufacture coke, coal tar, and coal gas by the process of destructive distillation.